There are more than 6,655 coins that are listed on CoinGecko. But out of this massive number, there will only be a handful which will make you some money. So stay tuned to today's video and find out what are my top 5 altcoins to look out in April 2021.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and today I welcome you on the Crypto Bulls Club. In today's video, we are going to cover top 5 altcoins that you should definitely consider adding to your portfolio in April 2021. Please hit the subscribe button because that helps us in getting out more quality videos. Also, if you like the content, please hit the like button. Also, if you would like to discuss more about cryptocurrencies, join our Telegram channel. The link to this is already in the description below. So let's jump in. So as I mentioned, there are more than 6,655 coins available listed on CoinGecko, right? But there will only be a few which will actually give us some money, right? So today I'm going to show you my top 5 picks for April 2021. Let's jump in. So the first coin that I want to tell you about is Tezos, or the ticker XTZ. It's currently trading at $6 with a market cap of around $4.5 billion, right? And currently ranked number 30 and is up by almost 3.7% in the last 24 hours. Now let's go to the returns that XTZ has given us in the last 1 year. So last 1 year it's been pretty okay. It's given us around 205%. So in crypto terms, this is okayish kind of a return, right, in the past 1 year. But let's first understand what Tezos do. So Tezos is basically an Ethereum-like blockchain that hosts smart contracts. So it is a smart contracts platform. Now with the bull market that we are in, there would be many projects that would be launched on the smart contracts, and with the Ethereum gas fees too high, people are looking for alternatives. That's why Tezos could be a very good buy. Now let's go to the technicals. In the technicals, what we have over here is the XTZ dollar chart, and we are on the daily time frame. Okay, so here what I want you to notice is simple. Just have a look at the market structure. Okay, so right from March of 2019, when coronavirus hit us, this coin has actually been hitting new highs. Okay, so this coin has been actually hitting new highs, and it has been respecting this pattern of this passage, if I may put it that way. Okay, now let's move to the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, you will be able to understand it in a much better way. Look at this steep rise in Tezos. But in the weekly chart, what I want you to notice is my favorite, the stochastic RSI, right? So what we can see in the stochastic RSI is that the blue line has cut over the red line, and we are in this zone between 20 to 80. That means this could be a good time to consider this coin adding to your portfolio. But this is not financial advice. These are my personal opinions. Okay, so please do your own research before investing. But the indicators are pretty strong as far as Tezos is concerned. Now let's move on to the next one. The next coin that I have for you is Verge, or XVG, which is currently trading at $0.045 and is around flattish for the last 24 hours, right? Now what I want you to notice is the returns that Verge has given for the last 1 year. Okay, it has given more than 1500% returns in the last 1 year, and in the last 30 days itself it has given more than 109%. So that's pretty good returns. Now what is Verge's capability? Let's understand that. So basically Verge was started in 2014, so it's pretty old coin, right? And it has actually passed the test of time, that's for sure, right? So earlier it was known as the Dogecoin Dark, right? So that's another trivia. The reason it was created was to create a truly private cryptocurrency. The reason for this being that the founder of Verge felt that Bitcoin was not anonymous anymore, right? So he decided to build a new blockchain where transactions couldn't be traced. So it's a private currency more or less like Monero. Now let's jump onto the technicals for Verge. Okay, so we are on the daily chart of Verge. Okay, similar to Tezos, which we discussed earlier, look at the market structure that it has been forming. Okay, right from November 2020. So we made a high, another higher high in January, another higher high in February, and another higher high in April. Okay, so in March we actually got corrected and we tested the 21-day EMA as well as 20-day SMA, right? So but then again we strongly went up. Now let's go to the weekly chart for Verge, right? So in the weekly chart for Verge, what I want you to consider is basically the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI is, again, as I discussed, it has moved upwards of 20 and it has crossed the red line, okay, as you can see, and it's currently in the zone of 20 to 80. So that's a great news, right? Because we know that the momentum is on the upside as far as Verge is concerned. Now what I want you to measure is what happened when last time Verge crossed over and how much percentage did it gain. Okay, so last time Verge went up was on 16th of November and it came down on 15th of February. So we'll measure from 16th November. We'll not consider the wicks of the candles, we'll consider only the bodies. Okay, so from here we'll go to 15th February and let's measure the here. So Verge had given 534% returns the last time this happened, and this was over a period of 91 days. Okay, so now what is the return that Verge has given? Let's understand that, and so we'll have at least an idea as to how much returns can we expect from Verge in this time around. Okay, so this time Verge crossed over not too long back. It was on the 15th of March, the week starting 15th of March. So let's measure this currently. So as we are speaking, Verge went up by almost 100%, right? So it's already up by close to 100%, 98.67% in a matter of only 21 days, right? So but we have seen in the past that once the stochastic RSI crosses over to the red zone, crosses over the red line and enters this zone, so we get returns of approximately 500%, right? So now we are already sitting on a return of 100%. Is it a guarantee that this time also it will give a returns of 500%? No. Okay, there's no guarantee as far as trading is concerned. It's all probabilities. From what we can understand from the indicators is that Verge still has got momentum to the upside and it has still some way to go. Okay, now let's go to the third one. The third coin that I want to show you today is Waves. Okay, and the ticker is also Waves, WAVES, and it's currently trading at around $13.01 and it's up by 2.5% in the last 24 hours. Now let's have a look at the historical returns for Waves. So Waves has given around 1200% returns in the past 1 year, right? So that's pretty awesome, right? And in the last 30 days it has given around 27.6%, right? So is there any opportunity for us to invest in Waves right now? We'll see that in the technicals. Now let's understand what Waves do. So Waves is an open blockchain protocol and development toolset for Web 3.0 applications and decentralized solutions, right? So what it means is Waves actually provides the blockchain, the base setup for building Web 3.0 applications. What are Web 3.0 applications? Web 3.0 applications are those applications which are smart enough so that they can interact among themselves by the use of maybe machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, so on and so forth. So Waves is definitely it's among the coins which is dealing with modern technology, right? Now let's jump onto the technicals. So we are on the daily frame for Verge, right? Look at this market structure once more. Okay, high back in February of 2020. Then this was the coronavirus correction which came, slightly peaked its head in July, then again tested the 20-day SMA and the 21-day EMA. Then we started moving smoothly, right? Another higher high in August, another higher high in November, another higher high in February, and currently we are in the phase of building another high. Now let's go to the weekly chart and let's see what's the stochastic RSI has in store for us. Okay, before that, look at this market structure. This is more clear in the weekly charts. Okay, so we are respecting the bull market support band here. Okay, so we are on the weekly chart. It's respecting the bull market support band is currently at around $8.80 to around $8.93. So it's respecting pretty much. It's trading above that. Now let's take a look at the stochastic RSI. Again, the stochastic RSI for waves, you can see right here. Okay, it has just crossed over, and when did it do so? It crossed over the week starting of 22nd March. That's about 2 weeks back. Okay, so we have got time on our hand. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that, you know, the momentum, again I'm repeating, the momentum for waves is on the upside. Okay, now before moving to the last two coins, basically what I need to tell you is you can go to Telegram and join our Telegram channel. So it's Crypto Bulls Club. So you go to Telegram right now and type Crypto Bulls Club. Okay, and you will find us there on Telegram. So in Telegram we actually have a lot of discussions, and we also take suggestions from our community members as to what are the coins they want me to analyze and give my feedback. So you be there on Telegram. Next, if you like to discuss and read about cryptocurrencies, please visit our website. It's cryptobullsclub.com. So you need to visit the website. We post pretty interesting articles regularly, right? Next, we are there on Facebook as well, right? So Facebook, we are there again, same name, Crypto Bulls Club. You can find us in the Crypto Bulls Club. Okay. On Twitter, we have actually partnered with Bharat Finance. So you go to twitter.com/Finance Bharata. Okay, Finance Bharata is the username. You can find us on this username basically, right? And Twitter is the place where we keep on giving some updates. So Twitter and Telegram channel are the two most active places that we are discussing with our community members and giving out, exchanging ideas and so on and so forth. So if you like to discuss about cryptocurrencies, do join us there. Now let's jump on to the next coin. The next coin that we have for you is ENJ, and this coin is trading at around $3.10. It's already up by 42% in the last 1 day. Okay, 24 hours. Now what is the returns that ENJ token has given us? Let's see that. In the last 1 year, ENJ has given us 3000% returns. That's huge, isn't it? So, but one more thing that we need to analyze is the returns that it has given in the last 30 days as well. So it's around 70%. That's pretty okay, right? Now what do they do? ENJ coins. ENJ coins have actually become the first coin to be whitelisted for use in Japan in the gaming industry. That was a huge news that came in January. So this is a CoinDesk article that I have currently. So this was published on Jan 19, 2021. Okay. So in Jan, by the last week or the third week of January, the ENJ tokens actually got the approval for use in Japan for gaming, in the gaming industry, right? And what was the implications on the charts? Let's see that first. So On the charts, as you can see, look at this move. 19th January the article was out. Look at the move on the 20th of January. Look at this candle. Let me zoom in for you. Look at this particular candle. This particular candle in itself was, so 19th January, let's not consider the wicks, 50% it grew by. Okay, then there have been such candles after this time as well. So there was one candle created again in February, right, which again grew by close to 45%. Another candle was there in March, which again grew by close to 55%. So there has been one candle every month since January, which has given like more than 40-45% returns in a single day, right? And today ENJ is already up by 42%. So could it be that today is the day for April? I don't know. Okay, but what I want you to notice is basically the market structure that ENJ is forming. Okay, ENJ is forming a great market structure. This is a steep rise that we are having currently, right? And the RSI is also indicating that we still have got some some more miles to cover in ENJ, right? This is definitely one of the top coins to add to your portfolio. This is not financial advice. This is my personal opinion, right? So please do your own research before investing. While researching, you can use our resource as a research material. That you can always do. Now let's go to the weekly chart of ENJ and let's see what it's showing us. Okay, now let's plot the stochastic RSI. So the stochastic RSI for ENJ is actually showing that the momentum is coming a bit low, right? Because we are already up by 42% today, right? So probably this could correct a bit. The lowest it could go, according to me, would be somewhere between this bull market support band. So it's currently at from 92 cents to around $1.23. So but that would be huge correction. We might get that because since January this has been moving like north in a very steep angle. Okay, the move has been parabolic, right? So do keep that in mind, right? Now let's move on to the number one coin. The number one coin that I have in my recommendations today is Solana. So Solana is again a smart contracts platform, right? And it has been dealing at around $26, down by around 2.5% for today. But just let me show you the return Solana has given in the past year or so. Okay, so past 30 days Solana has given 95% returns. Okay, past 14 days again it has given 95% returns. Past 7 days 36%. So that's massive returns, right, for Solana. I think personally, if you have to ask me, April is going to be the month for Solana. Okay, it is currently at around the rank of 20 on CoinGecko, but I feel it will definitely grow by more than it has the potential to grow and come into the top 15 definitely. So the current if I have to tell you, the market cap for Solana is around 7 billion, but it has got all the potentials to be around the 10 billion mark or so. So that's very much possible. Now let's move on to the charts. Okay, now as far as the charts for Solana is concerned, look at this steep move it has been having since December. Okay, December. So the steepest move that came was in late February 3rd week. Then we got a correction. We tested the 20-day SMA. We got rejected. Then we went up quickly, and since then we have been rising. Okay, so this is a great platform, right? Why I'm saying that? Let's go to the weekly charts. Okay, let's have a look at the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI is saying that it's already maxed out. So what can we presume now? Shall we invest in Solana? It's completely your call, but if you have to ask me, I'll wait for a correction. A correction is due for Solana. Okay, probably this will come down a bit, and by the last week of April this will again go up, right? That's my observations. Please do your own research before investing, right? What it could do is basically it could come down and test this this zone of the bull market support band from $8.78 to about $11.26, right? So it's very much possible that we might have a correction, but I believe personally April is going to be the month for Solana, right? So keep your eyes on this coin. This has great potential to be in the top 15, and dare I say it could be even in the top 10 as well. Okay, so keep your eyes on this coin. This has got very good potential. If you like the content, please subscribe to our channel, share your views if you hold any of these coins. Okay, also like the video and also share this video with at least one person in your network so that they are also able to gain some knowledge and also gain some money. That's more important, the green dollars, right? So you want to earn those money. That's very important. So you need to share this across your friends as well, right? Also, don't forget to join us on Telegram. Telegram is the place where we always we are always active on Telegram. Okay, so if you post a question over Telegram on our Telegram channel, it's a definite guarantee, either me or someone from our community would actually reply to you. Okay, so please go to Telegram and join our Telegram channel right now. It is going to be very beneficial for you. Now, as a disclaimer, I don't hold any of these coins. Okay, so one thing that we need to keep in mind is basically you need to focus on a few coins, right, which would give you returns in the big time. Now every day you listen that this X coin has given someone 50x, Y coin has given someone 20x, but always remember these news comes out only after the coins have given the returns. Okay, if you're lucky enough, you'll be able to get at a very nascent stage, but most of the time the news is out only after the coin has given some decent amount of returns. So entering at that stage would be a big risk, right? At least for me, I always try to stick around some of the major coins, and very small percentage of my portfolio do I dilute among these small coins. Okay, and the idea is always to convert them into Bitcoin or Ethereum, right? Your end goal should always be to increase more Bitcoin, more Satoshis, collect as much Satoshis as you can, right? So that should be your goal. The reason I built this community was actually to educate people, right? So let the knowledge flow among the groups. So that is when the market will become more mature and people will stop losing money. So trust me. Okay, so I don't like when people lose money. Okay, so that's something which I hate the most, right? So what you need to do is sign up on Telegram and join us on Crypto Bulls Club. That is one place which will actually make sure that you can get some valuable knowledge from there as well. So stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you for watching.